Hey guys, it's Ben Schmidt here with McClarty Daniel Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Bentonville, Arkansas. Today's How To Tuesday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Stow and Go cargo system on the Chrysler Pacifica. So the first thing you're going to do is push this button right here to put your front seat in the optimal position for the Stow and Go cargo system. Next thing you're going to do is grab this latch right here. So next you're going to put up these armrests so that the seat will stow flat in the system. Next you're going to pull this lever right here, which will allow the seat to fold flat. Then you're going to pull the Stow and Go, and it's going to fold it right down into the floor. This is going to give you an extensive amount of space on the side so you can store big boxes if you need to, as well as if there's somebody sitting in the back who's a little bit taller, they can extend their legs all the way out. It's easy to stow all the seats on the Pacifica, but none are easier than the electronic Stow and Go system on the Pacifica Limited. So you have a few seat settings. You have your normal mode, which is going to put it in the upright lock position, your stow mode, which is going to be Stow and Go, and forward and back, so you can recline the seats forward and back as you would. You have a left and right button, so you can control either seat individually. For this one, I have both selected, so I can easily stow the seat. So you have that in the both position. You select the stow, and what it's going to do is it's going to automatically fold the seats forward and then automatically pull them back for the Stow and Go system. With the Stow and Go, you have so much space. It opens up the floor completely. If you don't have kids or family with you, you can easily move. If you have to go on a long trip and take a bunch of boxes, you can do that as well. There's just so many options and configurations you can do with this Pacifica. Guys, once again, this is Ben Schmidt with McClarty Daniel Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Bentonville, Arkansas, located at 2201 Southeast Moberly Lane in Bentonville, right off of exit 86. And remember, if you can't come to us, we can come to you for test drives or trade appraisals. Also, you can shop us online at bentonvillecdjr.com. Thank you for watching How To Tuesday.